You sit like a shrimp all day! I'm screaming, but you don't listen! Sit straight, or I'll make you regret it at 40!
You type for hours without a break! I'm inflamed and you ignore it! Rest me now, or hello, carpal tunnel!
You've been looking down for hours! I'm not designed to hold your head at this angle! Look up, or enjoy the chronic pain later! Been sitting for 6 hours straight! I need you to move so I can pump properly! Get up and walk! You breathe like you're afraid of air! Shallow breaths mean less oxygen everywhere! Breathe deep, or stay tired forever!